Hi there, welcome back to the Top Percentile YouTube channel. I'm Aditya Sridhar, and if you are looking to do an MBA in 2027, then you have come to the right place because I'm going to be telling you the top 5 private MBA colleges in Maharashtra that you should target and consider this year. So let's get started. फर्स्टली प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस को आपको क्यों कंसिडर करना चाहिए यू माइट ऑलरेडी नो दैट द प्राइवेट कॉलेज माइट हैव हायर फीस बट इन कॉलेजेस लाइक दीज जो आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलती है दैट जस्टिफाई द कॉस्ट. फर्स्टली प्राइवेट कॉलेज का एक्सपोजर इन टर्म्स ऑफ कंपनीज, इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स, इन टर्म्स ऑफ लेक्चरर्स आर मच बेटर. Secondly, the infrastructure that you get is much better than government institutions. So, अगर आप MBA consider कर रहे हो and you want to do it in Maharashtra, do consider these colleges, even though the fees are higher than the government colleges. So, the first college that you should consider is SPJIMR. It is located in Mumbai, and to get into this college, you will have to take CAT. SPJIMR is one of the best MBA colleges in India. It is also better than JBIMS in terms of the average package. Some students do consider JBIMS because of the fees and the ROI, but SPJIMR ka average package is higher, even better than JBIMS. Average package is 33 lakhs per annum. Fees is around 26 lakhs per annum. And to get into this college, you will have to take the CAT. Second is SCMHRD Pune. The fees is around 20 to 23 lakhs. Average package is around 21 lakhs. It's a good brand. ROI is slightly lesser than SPJIMR. It is located in Pune, and आपको ये कॉलेज में जाने के लिए SNAP एग्जाम देना पड़ेगा, which happens in December after CAT. Third is NMIMS Mumbai. Again, काफी पुराना कॉलेज है, काफी अच्छा ब्रांड है. Fees are around 24 to 25 lakhs. Average package this year was 25 lakhs. And it is located in Mumbai. And ये college में जाने के लिए आपको देना पड़ेगा NMAT exam, which has a whole window from November to December. The fourth college is SIBM Pune. ये rankings के हिसाब से SIBM is ranked 4th, lower than NMIMS. But according to me, it actually should be second. बट टॉप 4 ब्रॉडली ये 4 कॉलेज ही होते हैं महाराष्ट्र में. तो SIBM पुणे, अगेन जस्ट लाइक SCMHRD, आपको स्नैप देना पड़ेगा. बहुत ही अच्छा ब्रांड है, अच्छा एलुमनाई नेटवर्क है. फीस आर सिमिलर टू SCMHRD, 22 to 23 lakhs, and average package is 26 to 27 lakhs per annum. Now, the fifth college in this list, in this IIR ranking, यूजुअली मैं काफी अग्री करता हूँ ये रैंकिंग के साथ. अंडर टॉप 4 ऑल्सो एक दो ऊपर नीचे है, बट आई ब्रॉडली अग्री. द फिफ्थ कॉलेज मेंशन्ड हियर इज DY Patil, that I don't agree with. In my view, the fifth best private college in Maharashtra is actually Tata Institute of Social Sciences Mumbai, जिसकी फीस है सिर्फ 1.85 लाख रुपीज. एवरेज पैकेज जाता है 28 lakhs तक. तो यू शुड डेफिनेटली कंसिडर दिस कॉलेज. एडमिशंस आर थ्रू CAT and the shortlisting is done just based on the CAT percentile. तो amazing college, amazing ROI. The only catch is that the program is in HR. तो अगर आपको स्पेशलाइजेशन से ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, यू आर ओके विथ एनी स्पेशलाइजेशन इन MBA, and you are okay with doing HR, then the ROI, the fees, the package that you get from TISS is amazing. Trust me guys, it's a hidden gem. अगर आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हो, आपको मुंबई या महाराष्ट्र में MBA करना है and you are okay with HR, then you should really target TISS. It is an amazing college. So I hope this video was helpful. We'll be making more and more videos on this channel about doing an MBA in 2027 and how to do well in the CAT, NMAT, SNAP in 2026, and obviously CET 2027. The complete MBA exam cycle. Do subscribe to us to stay tuned for such helpful videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.